Hey everyone, welcome back to JKworld035, your space to learn, grow, and stay ahead in this fast-changing digital world. Today's video is going to be a game changer. We're talking about the top technical skills you must learn in 2025 to not only stay relevant but to future-proof your career. So, if you want to boost your income, stay competitive, or even start your own business in tech, watch till the end because I will also share a roadmap on how to start learning these skills step by step. Technology is evolving faster than ever. AI is reshaping jobs, automation is taking over repetitive work, and companies are demanding new age skills. The truth is, what worked 5 years ago won't work in the next 5 years. But here's the good news. If you focus on the right technical skills now, you'll be ahead of 90% of people still stuck with outdated knowledge. First on the list, AI and machine learning. AI is everywhere, from ChatGPT to self-driving cars to business automation. Companies are paying huge salaries to people who can build, train, and deploy AI models. If you're new, start with Python, then learn machine learning basics like regression, decision trees, and move to advanced concepts like deep learning and generative AI. Industries like healthcare, finance, and marketing are already hiring aggressively for AI engineers. This skill is not optional anymore, it's a career multiplier. Next is data science and analytics. Data is the new oil. Every business from e-commerce to banking relies on data-driven decisions. If you can collect, analyze, and visualize data, you'll become an asset for any company. Start with tools like Excel, SQL, and Power BI, Tableau, then move to Python and R for advanced data analysis. Imagine being the person who helps businesses make million-dollar decisions based on your insights. That's the power of data science. Third, we have cybersecurity. As the world goes digital, so do cyber threats. By 2025, cybercrime damages are expected to hit $10.5 trillion annually. Companies need experts who can secure systems, protect data, and prevent hacking attempts. You can start learning networking basics, ethical hacking, and cybersecurity frameworks. Roles like security analyst, ethical hacker, and security architect are in super high demand right now. Fourth on the list, cloud computing and DevOps. Everything is moving to the cloud. AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are ruling the tech world. Companies don't want people who only code. They want people who can deploy, scale, and manage systems on the cloud. Learn AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD pipelines. This skill guarantees opportunities in big tech companies and startups alike. Next is blockchain and Web3. It's not just about cryptocurrency anymore. Blockchain is transforming finance, supply chain, healthcare, and even identity verification. By 2030, Web3 and blockchain adoption will be massive. Learn the basics of blockchain architecture, smart contracts with solidity, and decentralized applications, dApps. This skill is a long-term bet, but early learners will have the biggest advantage. Finally, let's talk about full stack development. Even with AI, businesses still need websites, apps, and platforms. Full stack developers who can build both front-end React, Angular, Vue, and back-end Node.js, Django, Spring Boot are always in demand. If you want freelancing opportunities, remote work, or even to start your own startup, this is the most practical skill to learn. So here's a quick recap of the top technical skills to learn in 2025: artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science and analytics, cybersecurity, cloud computing and DevOps, blockchain and Web3, full stack development. My advice: don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one skill based on your interest and start small. Consistency is the secret, and remember, skills are the new currency. The more valuable your skills, the more opportunities and freedom you'll have in the future. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment on which skill excites you the most, and don't forget to subscribe to JKworld035 for more videos on self-growth, business, and tech skills. See you in the next one. Keep learning, keep growing, and let's build the future together.